Hello, welcome to Naomi's Crochet Nook. Today we are going to learn how to crochet a beautiful Xmas cap. It is very quick and easy cap. So I'll be doing the cap for kids aged 10 to 12 years. You can do accordingly. So I'm taking here 4-ply acrylic yarn of red and white yarn. Now a pom-pom with 2 colors mixed. If you want to know how to make pom-pom with cardboard or pom-pom maker, I'll be giving you the link in my description box. Please check that. And I'm taking here 4.5 mm hook, measuring tape and a scissor. If you want tutorial for magic circle, please check my previous video. I'll be giving you the link in the description box. On the next sheet. Now we are going to start with chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. You can enter the circle by pulling off the tail end like this. Now in this circle what you are going to do is you need to do 7 double crochet. This 3 chain is counted as 1 double crochet, so total of 8 double crochet. So again 7 more double crochets. One, two, three. Complete this and come back soon. So after 3 chain, we have done a total of 7 double crochet. Now go to the beginning 3rd chain and do a slip stitch. Now chain 3. We are going to do an increase in the next stitch. After the 3 chain, go into the next stitch and do 1 double crochet. And in the next stitch we are going to do 2 double crochet. In the next stitch we are going to do 1 double crochet. In the next stitch 2 double crochet. 1, 2. In the next stitch 1 double crochet. Next one 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Next one 1 double crochet. In the next stitch 2 double crochet. 1, 2. So after doing this, in the last stitch we are going to do, this is the 3 chain. After this 1 stitch we are going to do 1 more stitch near the 3 chain, to 1 more DC near the 3 chain to close the stitch. So we need to have total of 12 stitches including the chain. Close the round with the slip stitch on the 3rd chain. Now do 3 chain. Now in all the stitches you have done, you have to do 1 DC. 1, only 1 DC, because in one round we are going to do increase and in the other round we are going to do just the repeat of it by doing 1 double crochet. Is that clear? So complete 1 double crochet till the end of this row and come back. So we have finished doing 1 DC all the stitches. Now close the stitch by doing slip stitch in the third chain. Now chain 3. Now we are going to do an increase. So in the next stitch do 1 double crochet. In the next stitch again 1 double crochet. Then we are going to do 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 2. Now in the next 2 stitches you are going to do single double crochet, that is 1 double crochet each. 1 in the next stitch also 1. Now in the next stitch again you are going to do an increase of 2. 1 2. So the pattern is 1 1 2 1 1 2 like that. Again 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 1 again 2 double crochet. Now complete the round and let's meet at the end of the row. Now I have reached at the end of the row. So as you can see 2 1 1 and this is a 3 chain. We are going to do one more. Every time in the increase row we have to do one more stitch near the chain stitch. So we are going to do one more stitch before closing. Okay, then slip stitch into the third chain. Now chain and do 1 DC in every stitches like we had done. This is the repeat round. So in the next stitch 1 double crochet, in the next stitch 1 double crochet, like that. Complete the full row with 1 double crochet. Slip stitch into the third chain. Now chain 3, again an increase row. In the next stitch you are going to do 3 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1 2, after 3 chain separate 3 double crochet. Then we are going to do an increase of 2 in the next stitch. 1 2. See, after the chain we have done 3 separate stitches, then an increase, then 3 separate stitches. 1 2 and 3, again an increase. Now complete this row and come back soon. We have reached the end of the row. 3. Now after an increase we have done 3 separate double crochet. Now close the round by doing slip stitch in the third stitch, third chain. Now start chain 3. Now repeat 1 stitch in every stitches. Do 1 double crochet in every stitches. Now we have reached at the end. Do the last stitch and close the stitch by doing a slip stitch in the third stitch. So basically I hope you have understood the pattern. So you have to keep on increasing the stitches like this till you get the desired size. So keep on doing this. Now we did 3 separate stitches and then an increase. Again you have to do 4 separate stitches, then 1 row of repeat, then 5 separate stitches with increase, and then a separate, then a row of just double crochet. Like that you have to keep on increasing till the required amount you need. So let's come back after doing that, then I will explain you. So I have just finished increasing the rows. Now you can see it's almost 11 inches. This is the last increase I have done till 11 inches. Again I am going to do 4 or 6 rows without increase, just double crochet. See where we had stopped. I did almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 9 20 21 22 23 24 rows. 25th row was my last increase. After 14 double crochet I made one increase. We started from, it was from first row, 1 double crochet, then 2 double, then 1 increase, then 2 double crochet, then 1 increase, then 3 double crochet, 1 increase, 4 double crochet, 4 DC, 1 increase, 5 DC, 1 increase, 6 DC, 7 DC, 1. After 7 DC an increase was done, 8 DC. So like that I reach almost after 14 stitches an increase was done. This was the last increase I have done here. Now I am going to do 4 or 6 rows extra increase. I am stopping here with this 25th row. Again I am going to do without increase, just a DC. Okay, so after the increase I just did 4 rows. So I think it's pretty much enough for 10 to 12 year kid. It's almost 13 inch now. Again we are going to do the brim part. So now I'm going to connect white color yarn with red. So cut the extra yarn from here. If you want tutorial for joining 2 colors of yarn, check my description. I will be giving you the tutorial link. So take the white yarn and hold on the white yarn like this. Now we are going to give a tight fix near the brim. So chain 1 and do single crochet across all the stitches. Single crochet means without yarn overing, go into the, without yarn overing, go into the stitch and do. So that's your single crochet. Now do it across the row and come. Now we are going to close this row by doing a slip stitch in the first single crochet. So now this is it. Now we are going to do half double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, and go through the 3 stitches together. Yarn over, this is half double crochet, so repeat it Now we are going to close this half double crochet row by slip stitching in the third stitch. Now what we are going to do is chain 3 chain, then can you see the half DC here? Do a front post double crochet like this, and in the next one do a back post double crochet. For the tutorial for front post and back post double crochet, you can refer the description. Next one is front post. Next one is back post. Now do 2 rows of front post and back post double crochet and come back. Now I have almost finished the front post and back post double crochet. Now 1 row of single crochet you need to do. So now I am going to close my front post double crochet. So chain 1. Now in each stitch do a single crochet, that is going into the stitch without yarn overing. So the cap is finished. Now you need to attach the pom-pom. Here you have to attach. Even for the pom-pom tutorial you can refer the description link. If you like this video, please like, share, don't forget to share the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet to Numi's Crochet Nook, please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. For the pom-pom attaching tutorial, you can refer my previous links. Don't forget to share, and if you want to get the pom-pom tutorial, please refer the description for the tutorial link. So bye bye.